How to turn on birthdays, SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on birthdays, SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines in the top corner. Go down, click settings and then notifications. Now just go down until you find the birthdays, click on it and then just click here this one, SMS, turn it on, and now just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.